مرحبا. Today we are going to do the third letter from group 1 of friendly letters, which is the letter Th. And we said earlier that the common thing between these 5 letters that when they join, they all have exactly the same shape, and we know them from each other's from the dots. Before we write the letter Th, you need to know that the sound of this letter is Th. So to say this sound, you need to put your tongue between your teeth and say Th. Th. Now to write the letter Th, you need to draw a smiley face and 3 dots on the top. Smiley face. Now the first 2 dots should be next to each other, and the third one is on the top. So this is the location of the 3 dots, like a nose. Smiley face and 3 dots, and you will have the letter Th, like you are saying 3. Th. Now let's read the letter Th with the short and long vowels. Th with fatha is Th. Th with dhamma, Thu. Th with kasra, Thi. Th with the long vowel A, Tha. Th with the long vowel U, Thu. And Th with the long vowel E is Thi. Th, Thu, Thi. Tha, Thu, Thi. Now let's have a look at the letter Th at the beginning, middle, and end of a word. Th at the beginning of a word will never join any letter from that side because Th itself is the first letter inside this word. From that side, Th will always join. If we have a lazy letter like this one, Th will join because the lazy letter can join from that side, but never from this side. Or if there is a friendly letter, Th also can join. Like for example, if we have the word Th, Mar, Ma is a friendly letter, so Th will join. So in both ways, Th is going to join any letter that comes after it. In the middle of the word, Th could be written in 2 ways. Could not join from here if there is a lazy letter, like in this example, Ra. So in this example, Th is coming after a lazy letter, it will not join, but always joining from that side. Another way of writing Th in the middle could joining from both sides. Like in this word here, Ma is a friendly letter, so it's going to join, and Th always joining from this side. At the end of the word, all the letters will go back to their original shape. So Th will be written like the original shape. It will not join from that side if there is any lazy letter or vowel. Will join from that side if there is a friendly letter. I'm going to read for you the examples that we have it for the letter Th. So the first example here, Th at the beginning of the word, Thum. So we know how to read this part by ourselves because it's Th with the vowel U, Thum. And as you see, Thum is garlic. Can you try to read this example by yourself because we know all the letters? Well done. Thar, Thar. And Tharthar, it means chatty. And don't forget this one, we call it Sukoon. It means we pause. So when we have it above a letter, we pause. Like here. th, r, far. I pause. I have sukun on the top, so I need to pause. Far. So this part is far. Far, far. Another example of tha in the middle, مثلث. Can you try to read this word by yourself because we know all the letters? Well done. أثاث. And أثاث, it means furniture. And again, this word that has tha at the end, مثلث. When we learn all the letters, you will be able to read the word without any help. Now it's time to find the letter tha with the vowels inside these words. And if there is any letter tha at the end of the word, you can circle it without the vowel, because I said earlier that a letter can come at the end of the word without a vowel if it's not inside a sentence. Now, can you find the letter tha with the vowel inside the word? Or circle it at the end of the word without any vowel. So you need to copy these words first on a piece of paper, then find the letter tha with the vowel, then circle it. Don't forget you need to circle the vowel as well. Now these are the answers for circling the letter tha with the short and long vowel. So for the first word, it's tha. And as you can see, this word has letters that you learned them all before, so you can spell it by yourself. ثابت. ثابت. In the middle here we have tha with the vowel e. Fi. Third word we have tha with the vowel u. Thu. Next here we have tha with the vowel a with fatha, and this word is a bit tricky because you might think that this is the vowel u, but it's not the vowel u, it's the letter wa with sukun. And how do I know? Tha itself has its own vowel. So this is tha, it has its own vowel a, tha, and this is the letter wa, and it has sukun, thaw, thaw, and this is the letter ra, thawr. But if I have here tha without any vowel, and here the letter u without any vowel, I would say that this one is the vowel for tha, and I would say it thur. But since tha has its own vowel and wa has its own vowel, so these are two different letters, tha and wa. Now, next one is tha with the vowel a in the middle, tha at the end, there is no need for vowel, and for the last word I have tha with the vowel e, and I have here wa thi, and the full word is wathiq. The last letter is qa, we will learn it later. Now it's a spelling time, and as we do always, we need to write the letters, we need to write the words missing the letter tha, and you need to listen to me saying the full word, adding the letter tha with the vowel, and you will write it in the blank here. Let me read for you each letter tha with which vowel is coming. So here we have thu, tha, 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 and these two shapes are original. So where they need to go, at the beginning, middle, or the end? Remember when we said that at the end of a word, the letter tha goes back to the original shape. Th, and this looks like th is in the middle. Thi, thi, th. Now, are you ready to do the spelling? Don't forget, you need to listen to me very carefully to know which th you need to write it in the correct blank. Let us start from this side. Thar, 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 thar. So you need to write here th, thar, 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 thar. Hadith, hadith. So I have th missing here at the end. And you need to decide if it's going to join the or no. Don't forget, the is a lazy letter. Hadith. Mufalath. Mufalath. Thimar. Thimar. So here I'm saying simple thi, not long thi. Thimar. Thaban. So the missing letter here is thu, simple thu. Last one, kathir. Kathir. So in the middle there is the missing, and check or decide if it's going to join from here and from here. Now let's repeat the spelling one more time. Thar, thar, hadith, مثلث, ثمار, ثعبان, كثير. Now you can have a look at the answers and see if you put th in the correct place. So the first one is thar, thar, hadith. So this is th at the end, and it will not join the because the is a lazy letter. مثلث. This one is joining from here. مثلث. ثمار. ثعبان. كثير. And see, it's joining from both sides. Now it's time to read the letter th inside words that they have letters. We learned them in the previous videos. And for the first time, we are going to have a sentence. Can you stop the video for a second and try to spell by yourself? And don't forget, we do the reading always from right to left. Now let's read. Thar, thar. And tharthar, it means chatty. Thawr, thawr. Afath means furniture. Now here we have a sentence. ثوب وردي. ثوب وردي. It means pink. A pink dress. وردي, it means pink. Now stop the video and read again the words over and over. One more time. ثار ثور أثاث ثوب وردي. Well done. Well done in reading the letter th with few letters that we learned them earlier. Now here, if you look at these words, I have words that they have the letter th, and I have 9 or 10 words that they are made from all the letters we learned them so far. Now let's read. ثار بيت. Now actually we didn't learn the letter ya yet, but I got bait. ثوب. We learned all the letters inside this word. أثاث ثابت دبور ذباب درز أثير. So this one is ثي. دب. Well done for today. Our next video is going to be the letter N.